morning guys, this is vlog 64, Phon-Er Gold. Today we are going to fix a 6S Plus, which the screen is good but it just keeps like bouncing off and turning out on its own. Really, you'll use the phone and then it'll just turn off. You see, it's like flickering. It's a bad LCD and it'll just turn off. And the customer wants us to put a white screen up because he likes white more than black, so we're gonna put a white screen. It's gonna have a black button, but still it's just 3-1, so I can really not. Okay, cool. Yeah, now it's working fine, but when you're looking before. So there you go, now it's turned off. See? Turn it off again. Yeah. So we're gonna fix that right now, so we'll see how it goes and we'll show you how we do it and how it's gonna go down. So here's the white screen that we have here. We have all the tools that we need, so let's get started. Hey guys, it's all good. Working. It's good. So we are good, sir. We are good. Thank you guys for watching this Phon-Er Gold, and that's vlog 64. That will be conclusion, and we'll see you back with more repairs if we have any today. And thank you for watching this Phon-Er Gold, and that's the cut. Peace.